It was October last when we crossed paths. As I knew Kissy writes pretty well articles, so I just wanted an advice from her regarding my article and some tips as well to mend it. जब first time we talked, she was pretty sweet to help me. That's what I felt. But actually, she was like he's disturbing me and wasting my time. She helped me पूरे मन से and I personally felt she has no problem with helping me, but just pretending as if she is being disturbed so that could manage that image which everyone wants to. So I continued asking for help. पता नहीं कब the talk started being on regular basis and जैसे ये भी enough नहीं था. Soon we started late night chats. We both were so गधे कि 1 मिनट वेट नहीं होता था. If one is not online, तो used to drop offline text. And we both were so mad कि within a minute आप ही जाते थे. And गधों की तरह बात स्टार्ट. नॉर्मल चैट कब रेगुलर नीड में कन्वर्ट हो गई पता ही नहीं चला. आर्स हो जाते थे बात करते करते, बट हमें ना तो कोई फर्क पड़ता था और ना ही नींद आती थी. बस बात बात एंड बात. चलो ये भी ठीक ही था आई गेस, बट हम यहाँ भी नहीं रुके. वी केम ओवर द कॉल्स. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि चैट कम, बल्कि चैट एंड कॉल दोनों ऐड हो गई. कॉल करने से पहले हाफ आवर तो इस बात को लेके बहस होती थी कि कॉल करेगा कौन. एंड बहाने भाई साहब, मेरे हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे पैर में दर्द हो रहा है. अच्छा बेटा, मेरी पूरी बॉडी में दर्द हो रहा है. कब हमारा एटीट्यूड अंडरस्टैंडिंग में बदल गया एंड पता नहीं कब हमारी फ्रेंडशिप बॉन्ड में कन्वर्ट हो गई. She used to be there like a friend, mentor, and kabhi more than that. There was so much care. Sometimes I used to misbehave too, but she used to be there for me. She never pulled up her helping hands, and never ever I felt कि care कम हुआ है, बल्कि बढ़ता ही था. Whenever we used to fight, we used to end with more strong bond. In January, I moved to Delhi. We used to end chatting at almost 1, usually. कभी कभी 2 भी बज जाते थे. She used to try to do her best for me with everything she could do. I don't actually remember कि हमारा एक भी दिन बिना बात किए जाता था. बट तभी भी फाइट्स वर स्टिल देयर. मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कब आई स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग एवरीथिंग विद हर. इट वाज रिलैक्सेशन. शी यूज्ड टू मैनेज द टाइम अकॉर्डिंगली एंड यूज्ड टू कोप अप वेरी वेल. इट वाज March 21st when I met with an accident and she was ऐसे worried जैसे कि उसकी जान निकल गई हो. She requested me to tell everything at home and asked me to be home. मैं उल्टा उसी पे चिल्ला पड़ा. Still, the way she said me to go, I still can feel the innocence. I got back home. My birthday, she managed to make it that much special as she could. And that was actually the best birthday ever. उसका बार बार पॉपअप होना पता नहीं कब स्माइल में कन्वर्ट हो गया. Our friendship converted into blessing. She used to manage everything very well. मैं जिद करता एंड वो कंप्लीट नॉनसेंस जिद प्लस ब्लैकमेल कंप्लीट। हद तो तब हो गई जब आई आस्क्ड हर टू बी माई लॉकडाउन गर्लफ्रेंड एंड अगेन मेरी जिद को सी अग्रीड। And that time period was so enjoyable कि I asked her to extend time period again and she again agreed. There I was with another nonsense jid, and that jid she agreed, but she felt that much bad कि she decided to leave. We were ready to be separated and to be strangers again, as we never met. Suddenly, she was like, I love you, but I'm leaving. I don't want to stay. I requested her to stay, but she was not ready to listen anything. So I allowed her to make her decision. She made and stayed. That was not actually expected. After that, everything started to be special. Abhi bhi fights were there, but one thing was crystal clear, that we are not gonna let go each other. Whatever may the matter, we gonna stay together. So many fights, so many ups and downs, but we were there for each other. Ab either we talk for 5 hours or talk for 10 hours, still it's like stay here. We may separate in future, but now we are together and we know what we need. I know I'm not perfect, हम जिद्दी हाँ ego भी है and attitude भी, but still I'll make everything perfect for us. Will you be there for rest of the time to fulfill my nonsense shit, to wear me and to take care of me as you do? I love you. I love you so much, Miss Manager.